My rescue bird really wants to kill me. It's crazy. Ready? One. One. 1, 2, 3, go! Good boy. Oh! Doggy! Doggy! Hello! 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 A doggy just chased you. And a doggy just chased you. A little doggy. Hello. Hello. Hello, beautiful CVPs. Welcome to my channel. It's a beautiful day to be alive. I'm here in the park. I'm Carolin on Petzholdt. Thank you for tuning in. This is Hopi. Oh, I hope he's excited. And this is Love, Love, Hopi. Love, Hopi. Love, Hopi. Anyway, good to see you guys. Let me know how you're doing. Comment below, guys. And if you're new here, please give us a like and subscribe and just check out my other videos. So guys, without further ado, I want to talk to you. Something is happening. Yeah, something is happening. Oh, doggy. Doggy, doggy, doggy. Hi, doggy. Hi, doggy. Hi, doggy. Doggy. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Go. Come here, help me. Hope he doesn't want to come. Oh! Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Good boy. Ow! My ears. Good boy! Good boy! Come on. Hey! Okay. Can I just have her take a look? Oh, sure. Extremely curious. Yeah, that's what we thought. She probably never saw big parrots before.
She's definitely never seen big parrots before.
Yeah. Hi.
Hi. Which are they both flying or just the?
Oh no, he doesn't fly here. He flies in another location, but he flies because he is a little clumsy. But he's really a good boy.
So cute.
Yeah.
Hi. Hi guys. No, but the birds. The birds, Mama. Hey.
Probably more excited when they're flying because his prey instinct is kicking in.
Exactly. Something to chase.
Something to
But I
chase.
want to undo the prey instinct a little bit.
Yeah.
The predator instinct and have her just see them as another little animal.
Yeah. But that's the nature. It's dogs. Dogs are always predator, birds are always prey.
It's true. You see these videos all the time of interspecies friendships.
Yeah. But then they grew up
They grow
together.
up together, yeah, usually.
Yeah. Yeah. Is he okay now? Is it a boy or girl?
It's a girl.
Oh, she okay?
Yeah, she's good.
Yeah.
She's actually very relaxed right now.
Okay, good.
Very relaxed. She's just extremely curious. What are their names?
Oh, this is Hope and this is Love.
Hi guys.
Love
Have
and
you had
hope.
them since they were babies?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, since they were babies, I trained them to fly and come back.
And they speak? Both of them?
Oh yeah, they speak.
What do they? How often did you have to speak with them for them to be able to?
Oh, they pick up fast stuff. Like they're really smart. He says like step up, hello. If he doesn't like you, he says attack. And then if he bites you, he says ow. Yeah, Hope is really smart.
They've really got their eyes on me.
Yeah.
They're very observant.
Yeah, they're checking you out. And this guy here, he's the biggest parrot in the world. He's a hyacinth macaw. He says peekaboo. That's his favorite word right now. Peekaboo.
Peekaboo. Peekaboo. They're so sweet.
Yeah, they are.
Thank you for letting us come and say hello.
Of
Try to
course.
keep her away.
Yeah.
I wanted her to see them up close so she doesn't get so, hopefully.
That's another little puppy that my bird Hope always fly with. He goes, they fly race together down the hill. So he's like that other puppy is as small as yours, but they are kind of like buddies and they fly race together. But I haven't seen that dog owner here since over like 2 years now. I don't know where he is, but we would just meet in the park and he would fly race with his dog. Yeah, but I wanted to fly race with him, but your dog got a little scared.
Oh yeah, I think she's never experienced anything flying above her like that. I think that was like really crazy.
Big predator. That's a crow, guys.
Is that like a warning call that they do?
It's territorial.
Oh, territorial. Yeah.
There's hawks chase, crows
Do you have to be
chase.
careful for the hawks and stuff, or
Like, is that a hawk? No, it's a jogger. He hates joggers. He hates joggers. It's just a jogger. It's a jogger. He hates the jogger. Love, it's a jogger. He thinks the jogger is gonna come harm him.
but they don't have issues with with the hawks or like the
Oh yeah, that's chases all the time.
chases all.
Yeah, and he goes and flies and comes right back if there's a hawk chase.
Oh wow.
Yeah, plus he has a GPS on his tail,
Okay,
so I know exactly where he
oh,
is.
that's good.
Yeah, so I'm prepared.
Okay,
Where?
good.
There's no joggers anymore. It's gone.
Goodbye. Can you come a little bit closer and see?
Oh yeah.
Snuff, can you say hi? Hi guys. Snuff? Yeah, it's a bird. It's a bird. Yeah. Yeah, it's a bird. See? It's a bird. Meaning it's feathers. Hi. Hi there. Hi, Nuff.
Oh, now he gets excited. His prey instincts.
Hi.
Her.
Yeah. Hey, see? Okay, say bye-bye. Say bye. Bye, guys.
Bye. Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you too.
Wow, so exciting. Little puppies barking, big puppies, little puppies barking, little puppies chasing. Anyway, really nice dog owner. Anyway, I want to talk to you about something that's involving Coco. He is becoming a little aggressive and this bird is attacking me. Check out this video. Roll the clip. Coco, you little hormonal Amazon. Stop attacking my shoe. No, don't, no. Coco. Oi. Ah. Oh. Hey. No, not my shoe. Go. Both of you. Oi. Go. Hey, where you? No. Wait. Don't break my shoe. Oh, no. Are you coming? Are you serious? Oh, Coco. Coco, you're a bad boy. You're a bad boy, Coco. Destiny. Look what Coco's doing. Coco. No. This is what a hormonal bird looks like who never had really a friend to bond with, and now he has Victory to bond with. If you haven't watched that video, go check out my last video about gay birds. Victory and Coco has bonded and they love each other, and go check it out. And I'm gonna post it right up here so you can go click and check it out. So I hope you like this video. Give me a like, comment below what you think about aggressive little Coco attacking me, flying at me, and wanna like kill me. My rescue bird really wants to kill me. It's crazy. And I'm just like really cool, and I just let him do his thing. And when it's getting too intense and he's flying on my head, I just give him a little time out in his cage. But he was caged all his life, so for me, I will think it will be nicer for him to be out. But once I'm out, he's very territorial and he wants to bite me, and he's attacking me now. Oh, don't break my glasses. So anyway, let me know what you think about this whole Coco thing, and comment below, and I will see you next time on a new episode of Carolin on Petzholdt. Thank you for liking and subscribing. Go check out my other channel, ANGELICParrots.com, where you can get my book, and also go subscribe to Angelic Parrots here on YouTube. I love you, and I'll see you next time in a new episode. Bye. Mwah.